this COVID-19 pandemic situation, all are talking about PCR, CT value, quarantine and so on. So, today I am going to talk about and tell you some idea about CT value. What is CT value? CT means cycle threshold. It is a semi-quantitative value. This value is given you after a PCR test. After a RT-PCR test, that means real-time PCR test, it is useful to get an idea about the amount of viral genetic material in the sample. Viral genetic material means the amount of virus in the sample. It is better to know whether this CT value is low, medium or high. In real-time PCR test, viral RNA is extracted from the swab collected from the patient. Then it is converted into DNA. After that, it is amplified using special procedures. Amplifying means creating multiple copies of genetic materials. This improves the ability of the diagnosis of the virus. Amplification takes place through a series of cycles. After multiple cycles, detectable amount of virus is produced. According to the amount of virus in the sample, CT value is given. Now we will see about the low CT value. High concentration of viral particles in the specimen. Infective rate is very high by a patient with low CT value. That means there are high amount of virus in the collected sample and the number of cycles that want to run to come to the detectable number is low. So, CT value is low. Now we will consider high CT value. Low concentration of viral particles in the specimen obtained from the patient. In here, infective rate is low risk to infect the disease to another person. Due to improper collection of samples, time of collection of samples, improper method of sample collection and transportation, high CT values can be given. So, decision making should be done according to the CT value as well as the clinical condition of the patient. In real-time PCR, there are 3 steps. They are denaturation, annealing, and extension. Amplified viral genetic materials are detected by fluorescent signals in the same time they amplify. That's why it is called real-time PCR. In normal RT-PCR, there are 40 thermal cycles. That means 40 amplification cycles. According to the researchers, due to the delay production of antibodies, due to the delay in neutralization of virus by produced antibodies, PCR test can be positive after 2 or 3 months of the infection. However, CT value may high after 10 days of infection and consider as transmission ability of virus after 10 days is low, but it is still under research level, so you want to consider about this. Normally, the quarantine period is considered as 14 days. Due to new findings and lack of data, it is necessary to be aware and stay safe as every day new findings are coming out related to the COVID-19. Thank you.